goodness, I'm so excited. Guess where I am? I am in Diani, guys. So we are going to walk at the beach, and I'm so excited because I'm bringing you guys along. So let's go and explore. I'm just walking from the house, and I feel like I should stroll a little bit just to stretch before we get our tuk-tuk. So I think I'll stop one of the tuk-tuk guys so that at least we can go and yeah, see what is ahead of us at the beach. I'm so excited. I hope you are excited too, guys. So let's go and just catch up with them and see how the beach life is, guys. So I am so excited. So let's go. So I'm over at this road links to Diani Beach Road. So after I get there, it's now when we can get our motorbike, I mean our tuk-tuk. So let's go, guys. Tushafika baharini. We are already at Congo Beach, and these canoes you see here, these ones that you see here, we shall be using them in the evening, or rather people use it in the evening to go and watch the sunset at Congo River. Congo River is right there going the other side. So we'll see if we'll make it today and go have a nice time watching the sunset. Well, they look so good, though old. But the main reason why I came here today is just to do a beach walk. I just want to walk around this beach today and see what it is all about. I just miss the waves and just being around the beach. And today I'm surprised because the water is a lot. The last time I came here, the water was like, at this time it's around 11 a.m. and the water is already like almost covering everywhere, because in the evening the water will be somewhere up there. So I'm surprised because I thought we'll have a big beach, like somewhere we can walk to and at least get a nice experience. But it is what it is. No matter how it is, we're still going to walk and just see what we have. Yeah, guys, so I don't know which side we are gonna go to. So let's continue walking until we reach at the ocean. I have seen they have put some red flag somewhere, maybe showing you're not supposed to go beyond this point. And it's still early in the morning and the water is a lot. Oh my goodness, the water is a lot. Oh my god, I didn't expect the water to be this much, and it is still 11. So what Look, look, look. And this is Diani. Welcome to Diani, guys, where we have the cleanest ocean water. Look at how it is. Look at those waves. Hey, for a person who does not know how to swim like me, I cannot even dare walk just on that beach because the water looks very serious. But at least it is far right now. In the evening, I'll show you. The water will be here where we are standing. But I just like how cool it is being around this place. So I want us to at least walk towards that other side and see what is there. And it is cold. And of late it has been raining in Diani. People say it has been raining since April. It has never stopped. So anyway, let's walk and just explore this beach. It is a very soothing experience to me, just walking around the beach and just feeling the breeze, you know. Yeah, it's so soothing to me. They have put this red flag here, I think, so that people do not go beyond that point. There was that guy selling madafu. He has really looked at me. I think he wanted to approach me to get one, but it is very cold. But I'll have one in the afternoon. Yeah, just to try it out. One thing I like about Diani Beach is people are fewer than in Mombasa. If I was in Mombasa right now, I could be around maybe 200 people. But in Diani, it's just you and the ocean, plus one or two people that you may come across. So let's go. Let's go. This was what I was longing for, honestly. This is what I was longing for. Just being around the beach. Yeah, feeling that breeze, the ocean waves. It is unmatchable. It's unmatchable. Like, you can't imagine that. It's unmatchable. There are people swimming right on the other side, so you can just stroll. I thought the water was not many, so that we could stroll all the way to the other side of the ocean and just walk, but this is limiting. We are not going to go far because it may be difficult for us to actually come back after we go to a far place. So I think we should even walk down there because it's really getting difficult for me to walk on this sand, especially this one that people have stepped on. It's actually difficult. So let me try this other side. It's actually we can go and step on the water just a little bit. Woo, look at those waves, guys. Rain looks good, but the waves are coming. The water is coming like nobody's business. Look at those waves, how big they are. This is just God's creation, and we are appreciating it big. coming in handy to appreciate God's creation. So we'll just go a little bit. Shoot video. Asante. Ni mkazi wa Nairobi, at least nikasema nikuje nitembee.
Naona kama nilikuwa Nairobi kuna ocean kama hivi ungekuja tayari.
Singekuja.
Ungekuja.
But Mungu anajua bila ana balance. Kuna kitu lazima ukuje huku Diani ama Mombasa, and then pia kuna kitu lazima uende Nairobi. So
mlibarikiwa mkapatiwa park.
Tukapatiwa park ndani ya city. Lakini pia ni kuzuri, mlipatiwa beaches kubwa. And then it's just full of tourists. So at least kama unajua kujichumia hivi, unapiga hustle, unapata kitu kidogo. Hata sisi huko pia tunapambana.
Unaona huko serikali kwa huko juu na
serikali ikiwa huko juu haimaanishi kuwa wewe wajua ni watu wangapi wanalala njaa Nairobi? Watu wengi sana. So tuko tu the same, we are in the same Kenya.
The same Kenya.
Yes.
Tunaona huko ndo inakuwa
ni haujui huko headquarters ndio mbaya hata tena zaidi. Heri huko chini. Juu huko mnapewa pressure.
Huko mnapata pressure lakini niko poa.
Niko poa kabisa. Sasa nataka nitembee hadi pale and then nirudi. I hope maji haitafika huko juu.
Maji sasa hivi.
Lakini leo naona itafika juu. Kuna time nilikuja.
Inatoka sasa.
Juu inatoka ikienda ama inarudi?
Mpaka masaa jioni.
Okay. Juu kuna siku ingine nilikuja, maji yalikuwa huko. Huko so nilitembelea huko hivi. Hata nifikiria leo itakuwa hivyo. Mazoezi ya kutembea kidogo. Nikionyesha followers wangu beach.
Followers wako. Sasa nimekuja Diani na sisi kuna madafu na enjoy.
Madafu nitakunywa hapo saa 8 saa 9 hivi. Jua ikiwa strong na nice njanja hivi nikamate kama tuwili. I hope haitanilewesha. Nikamate tuwili kabisa. Asante. The water has just touched my legs, guys. Look at the other one coming. It has gone. These waves are so strong. Oh my goodness. These waves are so strong. I think we will proceed and just go and find a place where we can sit. I was just chit-chatting with one of the guys here, and he was telling me if I can get some water. right at the beach. This water feels so nice. It is now in the afternoon, not like in the morning when I was here. Yes, guys, this is Diani Beach, Congo Beach in Diani. So it's so nice, it really feels good. And yeah, just having a walk. I relaxed for some time, had some lunch, and now headed back to the beach for a walk. You can listen to those voices. So waves are far away. They are over there. By the time when I came here in the morning, they were still here. So at least we now have some space where we can record. Where we have huge rocks. Look at these huge rocks, guys. But it makes this place look so beautiful. I like it. Look at those. It really looks wonderful. This is Diani. Those are sea urchins. There are very many here. They are very many here, and I'm even scared of crossing. Look at those sea urchins, guys. There are very many. They are very many. Oh my goodness, I hope they are not harmful. Is far away. The water is far away, guys. So at least we are enjoying a beach walk. We are enjoying a nice beach walk here. So let's continue.